from GTA Jeeps. We're here to announce the winners of our open house. First of all, I wanted to thank you guys for coming out to our event in the lousy, crappy weather we had in April, but yet we still had a good time, so thank you very much. Also wanted to thank the sponsors for this event. We have Envy, TRAILFX, DAYSTAR, and TERAFLEX. So we're going to start by picking a winner, see who the winner is for this Envy light bar. Okay, it looks like I got one here. The winner for this light bar is John Pimentel. So you're the winner of this light bar. Okay, cool. So that's the winner of that one. We're going to put these guys back. Let's start with a TRAILFX bag. Let's see who wins this. Winner for the TRAILFX is Ty Gonsalves. Does that focus? Okay, so yeah, Ty, you won the TRAILFX. Let's start off with the TERAFLEX HD differential cover. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let me put these guys back in. Okay, cool. So now we got Rodrigo Aguirre. You won the TERAFLEX differential cover. Awesome. Good job. Okay, now we got the two DAYSTAR products. So we're going to give the DAYSTAR product, we're going to break them down. So we're going to give the hood flutter item to another customer here. So let's see. Okay, we got Miguel Lopez. You won the DAYSTAR hood flutter patches. Okay, cool. And then we got the DAYSTAR isolators in red. Just put these guys back in here. Okay, and that goes to Alex, Diane, and Alex. So you guys are the winners for these. Okay, awesome. So there we go. We got some pretty good winners, some pretty cool prizes. So all you guys got to do is hit us up. Our email is neo@gtajeeps. Hit us up, letting us know that you guys won, and we'll get your prizes to you. Thanks for watching, guys.